Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to pin connects to the Windows 10 taskbar. So as you want to pin connects to the Windows 10 taskbar, so very easy. Firstly click on start, type here settings, open settings, type here taskbar setting, open taskbar setting, scroll down. Here option people show connects on the taskbar, so slash to on position. That is. So as this is very simple and easy method if you want to pin connects to the Windows 10 taskbar. So guys, this is very simple and easy method pin to connect to the Windows 10 taskbar. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video useful or not. Thank you for watching.